So there's a new pattern forming in the Bitcoin charts, and it is about to go crazy. So now there's a new pattern forming in Bitcoin that we are going to be talking about in today's video, and we're going to be going over what's the progress and when we could possibly see the next move of Bitcoin happening. So it is very soon. We already have broken out, but we are seeing some retest. So we're going to be talking about everything in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do that, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are now on our screen and we are now on tradingview.com, and we have this chart. So before we do that, let's just take a quick overview of what Bitcoin is seeing right now. So Bitcoin currently trading at $68,764 and down about 0.35 in the past hour, up around 0.3 in the past 24 hours, and up around 9.3% in the past 7 days. So if we look at our daily movements, we have been up throughout the day. We have been moving upwards, but not by a lot. We have come down from that upwards range we were in the morning today, and now we are moving in the downwards direction. So basically that was the overview. Our volume is also up almost around 60%, at around $35 billion. So now as we move over to this graph right here, we can see that this is the 4-hour time frame of Bitcoin USD on Bitstamp. And if we just take a look at what's going on right here, what these lines mean. So this is basically a ascending triangle that's forming in Bitcoin right now. And if we take a look at what this triangle is telling us, that we were supposed to break out right here, and in fact we did. So we were forming this right here. We were forming our ascending triangle. We saw our breakout, and now we have come back down. We saw prices as low as around 68,200 something dollars. So but we are now coming back up. So in most of this case, this could be just a retest, and we could most likely headed in the positive direction as usually in ascending triangle, because this seems to be coming back up. We are likely to close this candle near this line right here, and we will start moving up throughout these days, and we will finally see even higher numbers. And as you all might know, we have crossed the all-time high recently. We have we have been even over 70,000 right here. So we have hit new highs. Let's see if the new highs are updated. No, it's not updated. It is updated. So 2 days ago we hit $70,000 in Bitcoin. So $70,000 new all-time high, and we are supposed to be seeing even higher highs as we go on through the market. We will most likely see that this retest happens and we head back in the positive direction. So that's what's basically happening with Bitcoin with this ascending triangle. We've seen a breakout, currently seeing a retest, and possibly in the upwards direction very soon. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about a breakout or a new pattern that Bitcoin is seeing in the 4-hour chart. We did talk about ascending triangle. We have seen new all-time highs of in the $70,000 range. Crazy new stuff happening to Bitcoin. We are seeing a retest on the pattern that we talked about, but we are to likely break out in the positive direction very soon, and possibly hit even higher numbers than before. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live streams I do on this channel. talking about any recent crypto movements, any recent changes like this one we have seen. And I talk about that daily on the live stream, keeping you guys updated about what's going on, about the global market cap, every cryptocurrency. So do make sure to tune in daily. And I also create long form content like this on this channel, talking about any recent crypto changes, any recent movements like this one. So do make sure to check out my long form content like this as well. So if you did enjoy this, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what other type of videos we should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.